all up on your screen, and today is a nappy foolery video. I want to fool around with the ball cap method. Now, what inspired today's video was I was on Instagram minding my business, trying to look around and saw something kind of, ooh, wicked. Sorry, that's the wrong words too. I saw a video of this girl doing the ball cap method, and she didn't even know she was doing it. And the way that she did it, I think is really beginner friendly and requires a lot less steps. So let's try it out. NappyFu checking in. Let go. Alright, kinks, so let's give a big shout out to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this 20-inch long unit of Vavoom curls, okay? Her name is Lora. And Lora said you cannot just talk to her any kind way, I beg ye. Anyway, y'all, let's take it back to the beginning and see exactly how I got here. The ball cap method came about because of this thick band all up on your forehead. Okay, when it comes to the lace front wigs or lace wigs, you want a smooth transition, and that thick band right there does not let you be grit in that type of way. So that's when the ball cap method came about. Wig lovers want to know what I believe that's how it came about. That's my assumption. Actually, I didn't do no research on how this even started, but I assume that is why, because you just want a smooth transition from the beginning of your lace front into your scalp or into your hairline. So that's why I think it came about. Now I'm going to try this method I saw on Instagram. Hopefully I do not mess it up. It does require for you to cut. Now what I saw the girl do was basically cut the band off before she even attempts to. In fact, she didn't even try to attempt to use it as a ball cap method. She was actually using a lace closure wig, which is a bit different. But seeing her do that made me think to myself, well, what if I cut off the band before I use my lace front? Before I use my lace wig? So I did. And after some time, I started to notice it was rolling back, started to fray up too. And I was just like, okay. And what I didn't know is that thick band is actually a double layer. So I just said, let me cut off the other layer. And once I did that, I come to notice, okay, we have one layer of a stocking cap. And by golly, I think it looks pretty flat. I don't know. I mean, it's a little slanted right now though. But yeah, it doesn't look kind of flat. I'm just saying, let me find out. I'm just saying, y'all. So now I'm just thinking, you know what? Let me grab my gel, let me grab my spray, and secure it the same time as my wig. That's just what I'm talking about. Y'all still hanging out with your girl? Well, let's do this on a regular basis. Go ahead and hit the subscription button and the bell right next to it so you are notified the next time I'm all up on your screen. Okay? Alright, so in the regular smegula, I'm going to go ahead and put on my gel first, follow it along my hairline, and I will go ahead and work some of that gel into the cap, to the edge of that cap, to help it lie flatter. So it's almost like I am doing the ball cap method, but not as intricate, not as detailed as you see, you know, the wig professionals do. This is a lazy way, honestly. If you be real, this is just a lazy way of doing it. And it works for me because your girl ain't got time. I'm just saying. So now I'm spraying on my Got To Be glue spray. I'm going to use the blow dryer to dry it down until it is tacky. And now we are ready to apply Lora. All right, so I'm going to smooth the front of my hair back, well, the front of Lora back. I got to smooth it out, get the little pieces of hair out the way. I already have my band on there. I'm not going to use the extra bands in the back right there. I'm going to keep it at the last hole because I don't need it to be too tight since I am securing it with my Got To Be glue spray and the gel. All right, so now I'm just going to work my wig onto my dome. Astro Dome, okay? I'm going to use the forever loyal and very useful rat tail comb to get it pierced or pressed into thy hairline. One thing I do want to say is, do y'all remember the time in the day where we didn't go through all this for a wig? Like, there wasn't any of this Got To Be boho. Like, it was none of that. You just threw the wig on. Or remember 27 pieces, y'all? Do you remember quick weaves? Oh, do y'all remember Invisalign when you cut the pieces of your weft really, really small to make a line, to form a line with the black glue? Ooh. Boy, I'm taking some of y'all back, ain't I? Oh, girl, let me stop. Anyway, so I'm just kind of pulling out some of the baby hairs I'm going to create later on. I'm going to tie this down, and we are hoping that once it is off of my head, that we don't see any part of the cap. Okay? So that's the goal. and we're going to just have our fingers crossed. Okay. All right, let's untie this scarf. NappyFu, what we got? Let's see. Ew. Okay, I don't see no band. I don't see the front of the stocking cap, so I must be doing something right. You know what? It's looking good so far. Let me go ahead and try to do these baby hairs, y'all. Like, this is something I don't think I do it that well. Like, all of this effort to make the front of my lace look like baby hair. This is the results. Hey, God, is that baby hair or adult? My sister, please. Leave it, I beg. Let's get back to Laura. Let's see if we see the front of the stocking cap or not.
So y'all, let's see how this cap did. I don't see a band. Do you see a band? Let's part somewhere else. It looks flowing. Let's try somewhere else. You can see tracks. Hold on. This is a lace front, so we can't go that too far to the side now. All right, another area. I don't see a band. It looks flowing. I will forever do it like this now. What? Thank you, Instagram.
Win out chicken dinner. So let me throw some foundation on this little bit because it's looking a little light color too. Ain't nothing about me light skin. I'm just saying, look a little light. Now I do notice that the actual lace is a bit, maybe I'm being too nitpicky. Maybe I put too much of the tanning spray on there. It's looking a little rusty to me. But nonetheless, I don't see the front of the stocking cap, and that was the goal.
All right, y'all. So I am done, and honestly, the baby hairs got me so tired that I'm not even gonna put no makeup. I'm just gonna throw these glasses on. That method, yo, about the ball cap, cut the front and then glue it and then secure it all down along with your wig. I think I'm liking it. That's a lot easier than me taking the cap, pulling all the way down. Let me talk to y'all with my glasses off, okay? Because that's so rude. So I'm really happy that I was just browsing on Instagram, minding my business, and I happened to come across that video. Y'all know in the Instagram timeline, the one that's not your timeline, but they suggesting it to you, or they might be popular, or whatever be the situation, that's where I found it at. And I can't find it again. I don't know who she is, but thank you, girl. So this worked out really, really well. I'm gonna be doing my units all like that. And what's good is that the stocking cap can come off and I can apply it again because a little bit of the elastic is still on there to hold it in place. This unit is very, very beautiful. I love the volume in it. I don't have to cut it. It's already looking like I need it to look. 20 is about 20 inches of hair. I normally don't go this long, but hey, you have to have that one unit that's long and big and in your face, and this just might be that one, okay? With that being said, we have come to today's Snapchat question. Summertime is officially done. It is a season when you get a little cold, you want to snuggle up with the hubby, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about? I ain't got no hubby, but it's okay. I'll snuggle up with myself. That's so sad. In the natural hair world, we know it is even more than regular protective style season. I wanted to know from y'all Team Kinks members whether you're high porosity or low porosity or medium porosity. Do we all benefit from protective styling? Trust me, your response would definitely help another member out.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that.
And I will catch y'all on the next one. So till next Sunday, remember, I said remember, in order to have a healthy hair, mind, body, soul, everything, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. All right. Ooh, child, I try so hard to do that baby hair life, but I don't think it's for me. It's not for me. Anywho, this is pretty though. Ooh, come on, volume. I need to go somewhere. I have to go somewhere. I ain't got nowhere to go. I'm about to go to Costco, okay? I'm about to go to Costco and re-up on my household items, okay? Costco! You about to see all this hair at Costco, okay? Excuse me. Can you carry my bags, please? Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Do you not see me carrying these bags? Oh yeah, grab them. I'm going to my room in the Marriott. Eh? I said I am in room 338. Mariachi. Oya con. What? Sorry? Oh. Okay.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were